Okay. So, have you ever had that gut feeling someone's messing with your stuff? Like your snacks are disappearing or someone's sneaking into your room when you're not home? Yeah, same. Been there. Sometimes you don't want to start drama. You just want to know quietly. That's where spy cameras come in. All the product link in the description. I have an Amazon and AliExpress $14 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit promowealth.com. So grab a snack or like your cat. Let's go. Number 1, Blink Mini. Compact indoor plug-in smart security camera. So this is the Blink Mini. Tiny, simple, just plug it in and you're good. Video's super clear, 1080p. And yeah, it has night vision too. Kinda spooky, kinda cool. Motion detection's fast. You move, it pings your phone. Boom. Instant alert. You can even talk through it. Like, hey, get off the couch. It has two-way audio. Works surprisingly well. Want to save recordings? You'll need the Blink subscription. Or get the Sync Module 2 for local storage. No cloud needed. Also, it works with Alexa. Just say, show me the living room, and it shows. Honestly, it's tiny, it's smart, and for the price, it's a no-brainer. Number 2, Blink Indoor. Wireless HD security camera. This is the Blink Indoor camera. Wireless, battery-powered, and super easy to set up. Just scan it in the app, connect to Wi-Fi, and boom, done. Took me like 5 minutes. No wires, no tools, just peace of mind. The video? 1080p HD. Looks crisp during the day. At night, infrared kicks in. Still super clear. Little spooky though, but helpful. Motion detection's solid. Sends alerts to your phone instantly. Someone walks by, you'll know. Battery lasts up to 2 years on AAs. Yeah, 2 years. You kind of forget it's even running. You can save clips with a Blink subscription or use a sync module with a USB. I like having both options, honestly. So yeah, if you want something small, smart, and reliable, the Blink Indoor just works. Number 3, hidden spy camera wall clock. So this looks like a normal clock, right? But it's actually a hidden spy camera. Yeah, sneaky, huh? It records in 1080p HD, has motion detection, and even night vision. No flashing lights, no sounds, totally silent. You just hang it up like any wall clock. Then open the app on your phone, watch live, or check the recordings later. If someone walks in, you get an alert instantly. It takes a micro SD card or saves clips to your phone. Battery's rechargeable, lasts a few days straight. Honestly, it's great if you're trying to watch over a room quietly, like a nanny cam or for an Airbnb, or just, making sure your roommate's not lying about touching your stuff. It's just a clock, but also not. Links below if you want to see more. Number 4, Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. It's wireless, no hub needed, just plug in, connect Wi-Fi, done. 1080p HD video, clear day and night. Night vision works really well. Plus, it has a built-in spotlight that turns on when motion's detected. Scares off unwanted visitors for real. You get fast alerts on your phone, like super fast, and two-way audio, so you can talk through it. Like, hey, get off the couch. It has two-way audio. Works surprisingly well. Want to save recordings? You can save them in the cloud if you want. Honestly, it's a simple way to make your home safer without all the hassle. Number 5, 2025 Upgraded Security Camera. So this is the 2025 Upgraded Security Camera. Small, wireless, and shoots in crisp 4K Ultra HD. It's got really good night vision, like you can actually see in the dark. Motion detection sends alerts straight to your phone, super fast. Two-way audio means you can talk or listen through the camera. Battery lasts weeks, no stressing about charging all the time. You can save clips on an SD card or in the cloud. Honestly, it's simple and reliable. If you want peace of mind without drama, this camera is a solid pick. I dropped the link below if you want to check it out yourself. And hey, tell me in the comments if you've tried something like this or caught something crazy on camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more real tech reviews.